Why are you quiet? What has happened to Korvaki?
This is such a strange situation. You will celebrate your victory and I will mourn my daughter's death. You are responsible for her death. The one who is standing right before me.
This is not possible.
That's what has happened. Kauravaki jumped into the waterfall and ended her own life. She committed suicide. My soldiers tried to find her, but she was not found. How can anybody get saved after jumping from such a height?
No. Korvaki cannot die. She cannot die. My heart says that she is alive. I will bring her back. I will bring Korvaki back.
Ashok! 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 Ashok, stop! Ashok! 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 Sushil! 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 Sushil, where are you?
I'm grateful to you for accepting the sacrifice, Dark Fox. You can do anything. But I will not end my life until I find my son. Sushil! Sushil!
Korvaki! Korvaki!
There is no way to go down there. No! Ashok!
This had to happen, Ashok. You were in love with my daughter. You had to pay a price for it.
Sushil, where are you? Sushil! Sushil! Sushil, where are you, Sushil? Sushil! Sushil! Sushil, where are you, my son? Sushil! You know, everyone is saying that you are dead. But I'm sure that my sacrifice cannot go in vain. I know that you are alive, Sushil. Where are you, my son? Sushil, hear your mother cry. Sushil! I will not give up. Until I search every corner of this earth, I won't give up. Sushim! Sushim! Oh!
Mother!
Sushim!
Ashok!
Nothing will happen to you. Somebody. Everyone is under the impression that Sushim is not alive. I should leave from here with my son before this truth gets disclosed.
Korvaki! Korvaki! She is breathing. You cannot leave me alone, Korvaki. Are you listening to me? You cannot punish me and go away.
Sushim! Sushim, get up! Get up, Sushim! Sushim! Sushim, open your eyes! Sushim! 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 Get up! Get up, my son! Sushim, come on, open your eyes! Sushim! I knew that you were still alive. I will not let anything happen to you.
Mother!
Sushim!
Mother! I will not spare these people.
Yes, don't spare them.
I will not spare them,
Yes,
Mother!
Sushim.
Korvaki! Korvaki!
No, Korvaki. If it is your stubbornness to die, then it is my promise to break your stubbornness. I will not let anything happen to you. No, Korvaki. I will not let anything happen to you. Nothing.
The blood flow has stopped, but she will regain consciousness when water from the heart is drained out.
My efforts are failing.
Korvaki! Korvaki!
Korvaki! Korvaki! Korvaki! Korvaki! I have already lost many of my dear ones, Korvaki. I cannot lose you. I cannot lose you this time. cannot lose you. Devi, we will have to take her to Patliputra.
Karvaki, Karvaki. She has lost a lot of blood and her breath rate has also decreased a lot. Karvaki needs immediate treatment. But Patliputra is very far from here. We cannot take this risk, Ashok.
What do we do now, Devi?
We will have to get her treated here itself.
Here? But here, Devi? Where? You're not... Devi, we may get some help from that hermitage.
Yes.
Sushim, you... Sushim? Sushim! Sushim! Sushim, get up! Sushim! 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 Sushim, my son. Nothing will happen to you. Nothing will happen to you. You're fine. Get up.
Mother, take me to Patliputra,
Okay,
Mother. I have a secret weapon to kill Bindusar, Mother. I will not spare him.
But what will you gain by doing so? Your dream will never be fulfilled until you get rid of Prince Ashok, Sushim. If you accept my proposal, then I may help you.
Why do you want to help us out? And why should we trust you?
An enemy's enemy is a friend. This time, I am ready to pay any price to destroy my enemies. Trust me for once, Sushim.
A person who believes in the word trust always ends up getting betrayed.
To take my revenge, I have just killed my daughter Karawaki, the princess of Kaling.
For revenge? But how?
Magad's future emperor, that son of a maid Ashok, will be sentenced to death for killing his lover. Death sentence! Death sentence!
Impossible. Ashok saved Kaurwaki. If Kaurwaki remains alive, then she will definitely inform Ashok. That brother tried to kill her. And that will cause a problem. No, I will not let Ashok find out the truth no matter what happens. I will complete the work which was left incomplete by my brother.
Please help us. She is still bleeding. She has lost a lot of blood. Please save her life. I am requesting you. Do something quickly. It's a request.
I knew that you would definitely return someday. But I never imagined that you would return like this. You have taken birth to complete a great mission. You will realize it when the time is right.
Do you know me?
You are a traveler, but that is not your duty.
I remember you. I was a kid. You had saved my life. I need your help again. She is Korvaki. I need to save her life. It's a request to you. I know that nothing is impossible for you. Nothing can happen to Korvaki till you are there. Nothing can happen to her. Nothing. Please help me.
Wait. The lifespan is fixed. Every passing moment of life takes us closer to death. A person travels the journey of death from the time he takes birth. This is the rule of life. Some people call it destiny.
Brave people do not depend on destiny in life. Some people are like me also. They make their destiny the way I have done. It is my request to you. Please save her life. If God himself has decided on the death of human beings, then he has also given a willpower through which a person can save his life and remain alive. I know that my Korvaki has that willpower. Because Korvaki will be alive as long as I am alive. Nothing will happen to her. I know that she is alive. She is still alive. It is my request to you, please save her. Save her. Please save her. Thank you.
Keep giving heat to the body.
Either. Can I meet Korvaki? She might be fine now. Why are you quiet? Is Korvaki all right?
It's not a good news, son.